In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix Ecommerce, how to add and manage product options. Start by signing in to your Wix account and heading to My Sites in your account dashboard. From there, choose the site you want to work on by selecting it and opening it for editing. Click Edit Site to launch the Wix Editor. Give it a moment to load. Once the editor is open, follow the highlighted prompts on screen to get to your store settings. Open Wix Stores from the editor's left panel. This takes you to your store manager, where you'll control products and their details. Choose Add a Product to begin. If you see a highlighted quick action or shortcut, go ahead and select it, then choose New Product. You'll typically be prompted to pick a product type, such as a t-shirt, shoes, or skateboard. Pick the option that best matches what you sell so the default fields make sense for your item. Next, fill in the key details in the highlighted fields. Enter a clear product name customers will recognize. Add your price, making sure it reflects your base product before any option-based changes. Then write a concise description that covers essentials like material, fit, or special features. Keep it scannable. You can always refine it later. Now it's time to add options and variants. Look for the highlighted area that opens product options. Select it, then choose the highlighted control to add or manage options such as size, color, or style. As you add each option, create values your customers will choose from. For example, small, medium, large for size, or red, blue, black for color. If your setup shows an Explore app button, click it to browse recommended tools for advanced options, like conditional choices or add-ons. Select the highlighted option to continue, then follow the on-screen prompts. You can always start with built-in options and expand later if you need more flexibility. When your options are in place, review the automatically generated variants. This is where you can adjust price, SKU, and stock per variant. It's a good practice to keep SKUs unique for accurate inventory tracking. If any combination isn't available, toggle it off so it won't appear in your store. Click Save to lock in your changes. Use the highlighted preview control to make sure your product page looks the way you expect. And test a few option selections to confirm pricing and availability update correctly. When everything looks good, publish your site and visit the live page to verify the experience from a customer's perspective. That's it.